spit rocks in her. She's good. Come in. Whoa!
Jeez. We're not gonna get out of here now.
Watch me. Your neighbors are gonna be pissed they see us in here though.
Yeah. Okay, we're good.
You gonna tell her what we were doing?
No. She already knows. I'm just laughing at you.
Yeah, just a little bit more RPMs and I'm right in the power band and the fourth. But very good.
Didn't go so fast just to slam on the brake.
Yeah, we're going a little bit faster than I thought. I got a little scared there because I know if I go full on the brakes, then this thing tends to start sliding around. Come back here to get it muddy.
Muddy?
It is muddy today. It's getting a little softer. Some new ruts have formed, some new holes. Which side should we go? I wanted to go down that side because it's probably going to be the most flashy. Oh yeah, ground's nice and soft right now.
Ew.
Wow, look at this. Oh wow, it's sliding on the mud. Whoa, that was a little bit intense. I kind of want to go this way too. I was in third? Whoa, I had no idea I was in third that whole time. It's a little bit unlike me. That's cool we did that in third. I'm actually really surprised we did that whole thing in third. Without stalling or plugging or anything. And we even did some drifts. Whoa, we're sliding.
Yeah.
So I want to be a little bit careful coming over because I want to slide into a tree. Oh wow, that was great.
That was pretty fun.
That was amazing. I like mud quite a bit more. Hard mud is pretty fun compared to
Hard mud.
yes.
Frozen
Oh
mud.
wow, that was fun. Yeah, it's a little bit. It's not like quite soft mud. It's still kind of. It's like Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's frozen.
Boost.
There we go. Back and forth a couple times. Watch on that cut off. You could have went, bitch.
I'm considering they're turning.
All of them? Go!
This one's also turning, yeah.
Are we waiting for nothing?
This one's also turning. This one's stopping and turning.
Go!
Holy fuckaroni.
We're past the line.
Yeah, we sure are.